Hi family, happy you stopped by. In this storytelling video, let's solve this subtraction problem. 47 minus 38. The ones column is on the right and the tens column is on the left. We start solving the subtraction problem by subtracting the numbers in the ones column. 7 minus 8. But I can't do it because 7 is smaller than 8. So we must borrow. You go to the 4 in the tens place and borrow 1 from it. So the 7 becomes 17 and 4 becomes 3. Now we have 17 minus 8, which equals 9. Write 9 in the ones place. Then go to the tens column. 3 minus 3 equals 0. Write 0 in the tens place. So 47 minus 38 equals 9. And this is our final answer to this problem. Hit like, subscribe and share your thought below.